In this video, I will show you how to convert USDT to USD in Coinbase. So first thing you need to do is open up your Coinbase and then you have to click on this My Assets option from the bottom of your screen. Then it's going to open up this screen. From here you can see total balance of your Coinbase account. Now you have to scroll down and from this section you have to select USDT. It will listed USDT in this area. You can scroll down and find it from here. And once you click on USDT, it will show you this similar screen. From here you have to click on this sell option. Now on this area you just have to enter the amount how much you want to convert. Then you have to click on this to section at the bottom of your screen. Then from this window you have to select cash or USDD option. Then you just have to click on this review order, and then you just have to review the details of your order. And then once you satisfy with details, click on place order button. And once you follow this step, your USDT will be converted to your USD or American dollars. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.